Sit.
Got it.
Good boy.
Brilliant. When I saw Marco in the doorway, I saw the faces of every cat that I've worked with in shelters who died, who didn't go to a home because they were scared. So for a second there, he was a symbol of a cat who wasn't going to have to die someday in a shelter because his guardian was gone. To see him, for me, is huge because I know that he'll be okay. I know. Oh, God.